This USCAMEL 100X-2000X Microscope Kit offers a wide magnification range that lets students and hobbyists move smoothly from basic cell structures to very fine details. The combination of interchangeable eyepieces, a Barlow lens, and rotating objective lenses gives flexible optical options that feel more like a small lab instrument than a toy. Dual adjustable light sources from above and below the stage help reveal transparent specimens and opaque objects with clear, color-accurate views. Its metal frame, angled viewing head, and separate coarse and fine focus controls make the microscope stable, comfortable to use, and capable of very precise focusing. The included prepared slides, blank slides, phone adapter, and other accessories create a complete starter setup for exploring and sharing microscopic images right away. Overall, this kit is well suited for home education, school projects, and beginner laboratory work, giving children and adults an engaging way to explore life science at the microscope.